Good morning, students. Today we will be starting our next exercise 14, exercise number 45 of chapter number 10, decimals. So the question number first, you should read the question number first along with me. A pamphlet containing 54 sheet of paper was 1.458 thick. What was the thickness of each sheet of paper? So there are 54 sheets like this. So there is a bundle in which there are total 54 sheets and the total thickness of this bundle is 1.458 centimeter. So you should write thickness of pamphlet. So total thickness is 1.458 centimeter, and they have told to find the thickness of single sheet. So thickness of single sheet is, so how many sheets are there you have to find. So number of sheets in a pamphlet is 54 sheets. So if we divide the total thickness by a number of sheets, we can get the thickness of single sheet. So the thickness of single sheet is equals to 1.458 divided by 54. So this number should get divided by this number. So you should divide this number 1.458 and divide by 54. So if you divide this now, it would become 0.027. So the answer is 0.027 centimeter. So this is the answer. Now read the question number second. How many pieces of rope, each 1.2 meter long, can be cut from a rope which measure 45.6 meter? So there is a 45.6 meter total length of the rope is there na. So they are cutting the pieces of each 1.2 meter. So how many pieces we can cut from the total length of that rope? So the question is like that. So whatsoever is given in the question, you should write that total length of rope is equals to 45.6 meter. Length of one piece, that is equals to 1.2 meter. So number of pieces would be 45.6 divided by 1.2 meter. So point would be cut down with 0.456 divided by 12, and meter would be cut down with meter. So the number of pieces you have to divide these two numbers and you will get the number of pieces. So the number of pieces would be 38. When you divide, you will get the number of pieces is 38. So now read the question number third. So question second is over. Question third says a dress requires 2.9 meter of cloth. Means if you want to prepare a single dress it requires 2.9 meter. But you are having a total piece of cloth, you are having 98.6 meter. So single dress require 2.9 meter, total cloth length is 98.6 meter. So how many dress we can make from the total piece of cloth? So total length of piece of cloth they have given in the question as 98.6 meter. Okay, and length of single dress, that means single dress, that is 2.9 meter. Okay, so now we have to find the number of dresses is equals to 98.6 divided by 2.9 meter. So meter cut with meter, the point would cut down with 0.986.29. Number of traces, so the number of traces that we can make if we divide 986 by 29, it would come around 34. So the answer is number of traces should be 34. The cost of 25 pencils is rupees 375.50. What will be the cost of each pencil? So there are 25 pencils and the total, suppose you have bought 25 pencils and the total cost is 375 and you are paying to the shopkeeper 375.50 paisa. So now you have to find the cost of single pencil. You will divide the total cost by the total number of pencils and you will get the cost of single pencil. So the question 4th is like that: total money spent on pencils. So it is rupees 375.50 paisa and the total number of pencils 25. Total number of pencils is equals to 25. So if you want to find the cost of one pencil, just divide the total amount by number of pencils, you will get the cost. So the answer is 37550. If you remove this decimal, 2 zeros will come in the down denominator side. 1 0 cut with 1 0. So what is there? You are dividing 3755. Okay, 3755. So it would be there 15.02 would be the answer. And the fifth sum you will try on your own. You have bought 16 kg apples. Total cost is 738.25 you have spent. You have to find the cost of one pencil, same as the fourth one. There is divide this total cost by the number of apples. You will get the cost of one apple. Thank you. Have a nice day.